Well, let's look for it. Got all this place to look. This is gonna take a long time. Oh, it's not behind there. Is it under this lid? Oh, I can just barely see. Nope. It's the basement. Yeah, I could barely see down there. I didn't check the basement. Or did I? Yeah, I checked the basement. Is it under there? Nope. Is it under there? Nope. Is it there? No, it's not there. It's gotta be under this deck. Right here. Nope. It's not. Where next? Playset, or I'm gonna go check over by the trailer. Ooh, it's cold out. Is it under there? No. Ooh, the pile of bricks. Probably a brick piled on it. Is it in there? No, those are just spider webs. Nope. Let's check all over here. Is that it? No. Alrighty. Oh, the ice is broken. Huh. Is it under here? I might have walked this way. Well, I sure can't feel anything. Oh, well, I guess let's continue looking. Alright, well, still, I haven't found anything. Really haven't found it. All this time I've been looking for. Should I do the woods? The woods is very long, or should I just go in the front yard? Yeah, I'll go in the front yard. Okay. In the front yard. Now let's check all of this, all of that, and all of this. First, check those woods though. It's frisbee. Weird. Is it anywhere there? See it. Okay, let's look through the woods. Let's first look through this pile. Oh, a bunch of sticks. I can see nothing. No, I just walk in on this. Ugh. Okay. Nope, nothing. Okay. Nope, nothing. Well, I guess let's check these woods. I can't even believe I'm still looking for them. The tooth. No, not the tooth. The Rubik's Cube fairy. Oh. Over there, right there. Okay, well, keep checking. Wow, I'm so tired of doing this. That's exactly, I just checked all of the spots I didn't check yet. Now, to do this part, oh my gosh. I really don't want to do this. Well, let's check around here. In there, I can't really see in there. It's not on the rocks. Is it in there? No. Let's look over here. Gotta be tall for looking up here. Nope, this ice. This ice. That's it. No Rubik's Cube. Now, let's scout these woods, see if we can find anything. Oh, that's an orange flag. Nothing off of that. Okay, well, let's look at this spot. We're still on the sides part. We've made this much. We got that to go. I didn't do this part, but I did the whole rest of the backyard. I don't see anything. I don't want to get in the neighbor's stuff. Might be in the neighbor's woods. That's not good. Well, I have to keep looking. I need to find my Rubik's Cube. Can't believe it got stolen by the Rubik's Cube fairy. If that's even a thing. It's not anywhere around here. Huh, well, I guess let's move on. And let's keep moving on. Well, checked all back there. Nothing. Now we're looking through here in the neighbor's yard. I see nothing. So I guess we're taking the woods now. So, yeah, we just gotta scout the sides, stay along the trail. Eventually, we're gonna find my cube. To be continued.